I will wear na that. Ano? I will wear na that.
Look at Mel's shoes, look. I mean, you wear them in the house, don't you? The slippers, aren't they, babe?
Because the one that I buy, it's hurting.
Yeah. There you go. See, I've got good taste, guys, haven't I? The times I've said to Mel, oh, I like that dress. Oh no, it's banging. How do you know?
It's nice, it's not heavy. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, get a kiss. Yeah. So anyway, guys, get yourself to Naga. Naga's waiting for you. There's well, when I say young, I don't mean 18, 20. Oh dear. These are unusual cups.
It's a no teaser glass.
Teaser?
Yeah.
Shot glass.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
This one for you.
Yeah, that one.
100 pesos.
100 pesos? My God. Mind you, I need a shot glass to drink my natural antibiotic.
Expensive. We can
Have you
buy-
got one?
It's just 12 pesos.
Yeah. See how much it's like? Oh, it's too expensive.
Yeah, it's just only 15 pesos.
Alright, calm down, calm down. Huh?
Careful, it is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, so like I'm saying, there's lots of single young ladies in Naga. And I don't mean kids, I mean young ladies. 30s, 40s. And they'll all talk to you, unlike foreigners. See, welcome to Naga. We're getting some shomai. Is it shomai?
Yeah.
Shomai. And Matthew likes it, and it's quite spicy. It's hot. And we thought he'd twist his face, but actually he likes it. Do you like? Masarap? Huh? She looks more Chinese than Filipina.
Just ask her.
Huh?
Ask her.
Ate, are you Chinese?
No.
No? Filipina? Huh? There you go. See, I'm wrong again. What I've found, and it's only my experience, I mean there's lots of people gonna probably say, oh no, whatever, is the older generation tends to speak better English than the younger generation. And when I spoke to the younger ones, they turn around and say, well, why, we're in the Philippines, why do we need to speak English?
Yeah, exactly.
And it's like, well, you'll find out when you go for a job and your employer says, how good is your English? And the person who speaks better English will get the job. And this is what you'll find if you go into SM. You walk up to one of the girls or a bunch of girls and they'll start laughing, and you'll see some move away because they think the ones that they're leaving speak better English than them. And it's there's one good thing about all this rain. The air's nice, clean. I mean, look at it. It's absolutely buzzing here. You tell me anywhere where you live that would look like this now, this time of day. I think, what is it, Mel? What time do you think it is now? About 5?
Past 5:30.
About 5:30. I mean, this is absolutely buzzing. And there's many Happy New Year, sir, I've had. It's unreal. Can you imagine that where you are? You know, just, it's brilliant here. I love it. I love it. Now I know we've had some serious talk, but on the whole, if you do things right, you can have a nice life here. Now, $600 a month? No, it's not enough. $1,000 a month is doable. It's doable. But any less, you're going to be struggling, because you're going to have situations where you need money and you haven't got it, unless you've got money put away. That's different. But if $1,000 a month is all you've got, you're going to be struggling.
You want chicken, honey?
Chicken? Oh.
Over there, because it's better there.
Over there. Over there. Right.
What?
Well, is this going to turn up, this, what's it called?
Asaba.
Asaba. Asaba.
Asaba cake.
Well, it looks like it's popular because it's sold out, and he said it wouldn't be long, and it's been quite a long time, hasn't it, babe?
It's on the way now.
It's on the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
We will buy manok.
Huh?
We will buy manok.
Yeah.
But we need to lie.
Tell him to save it, otherwise he'll not have a very good New Year. I just feel it. Yeah, alright, calm down.
I think,
Huh?
they serve all now.
Huh?
They serve all. I will ask.
So if somebody goes to a party, normally they'll take something, won't they, Mal? They'll not just turn up with nothing.
Yeah. There's a pot, it's pork.
Yeah.
Seen it?
Yeah, we'll not bother with the pork. The tart waiting to happen, innit? Oh look, the chicken looks nice. That flat one. It's well done. That's how I like it.
But the problem is there's a lot of people waiting.
Yeah. God, I love Naga. It's brilliant here. I mean, you come out, there's always something going off. There's always something interesting happening, you know. Unless you're a really, really boring person, I don't know how you could not see Naga as a interesting place. So guys, Happy New Year. I know it's a belated Happy New Year because obviously by the time we post this video, New Year is over and done with. But we wish you a Happy New Year. Thanks to all our subscribers. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. And to all our Patreons, wow. And especially Paul, thank you so much. It's just amazing. Thanks to all our patrons. Thanks for all your support. Thanks hopefully for your continuing support. And we'll see you in 2019. So please subscribe, please hit that like button, and don't forget to share our videos and visit our revamped website, A Brit in the Philippines. Nearly said it then. A Brit in the Philippines. Here we go. abritinthephilippines.com.
One lang.
One lang.
Okay na.